Well, good morning, everybody. How are you doing? It is wet and miserable here. So I thought I would use this horrible weather to go through my seed box because spring is coming and I need to sort it out. So I have this wonderful little seed sack that my son got me full of seeds one year. Let's just tip things out. Quite a lot of stuff in here to sort out. Now, I normally grow climbing French beans, but we're just getting to that age where it's getting dangerous to start standing around. So they're going to go off to one side. That's dwarf beans. Keep those. What are these? Peas. I have no idea what these are. Look like tomatoes of some kind. No, lettuce of some kind. Ooh, a mystery. Put that one there a minute. French beans. Now I'm going to be getting rid of my current lot of carrot seeds because we have carrot root fly in this garden, so I'm going to have to start growing the kinds of carrots that are resistant to that. Radishes. I must have got these from Lidl. They say raisin butter, large round tuber with a spicy taste. Certainly grow those again. Giant butter, the same thing. Now again, our garden is quite strange because we can usually only get one sowing of radish in unless the weather's poor. As soon as it gets hot, we get those little black beetles that just decimate the radishes. So we can usually get one lot in, sometimes two. I got here climbing bean, no good. Another dwarf bean, I'll go through them all in a minute. Organic beetroot, lettuce, 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 tomato, lettuce, another dwarf French bean, and a tomatillo, aubergine. That's we got jalapeno, tomato, chili. Right, so let's get things out of the way. So this is organic pea, Kelvin and Wonder. No pictures, unfortunately. And again, because we grow food organically, we don't grow a lot of it, but enough just to supplement us. Because we grow food organically, we can usually just get one of these going. So that's organic pea. Dwarf French bean provider. That should be okay. So by 2026, I do go by the sowing years, but I will try things if they're out of date. Dwarf French bean Dior. No date on that one. Right, so this is the raisin butter radishes. That's on a seed tape, which I'm not too keen on. And then this is raisin butter giant radish. They were lovely last year. Now, I don't know whether you can remember me growing giant beetroot. I don't know if it was these, but this is a red Kugel 2. So I'll be getting those in shortly. Just turn that down a bit because that's shining everywhere. Organic dwarf French bean domino. So we're doing okay for beans. Right, tomato, Gardener's Delight, always an old favourite. Tomato Marmande, grown in the greenhouse only. Tomato Tigerella, not too keen on those because they don't really have a lot of taste, so they can go. Some more Gardener's Delight. I have got, I think these might be Shirley that I rescued from last year. I'll know when I open it. And then on the peppers, we've got a large red cherry, very hot. Sweet Hungarian wax. Jalapeno. And then on the lettuce front, we've got speckled trout. Green salad bowl. I think this might be, oh, we've got, that's a cos lettuce. That's what it is, because that is empty. That mystery one is a cos lettuce. I like to grow lettuces because you can have them as young things, but when they mature, you know, they probably cost you about 5p, 10 pence at the most to grow. You're paying what, 90 pence in the supermarkets. A red salad bowl. Now last year we grew tomatillos, so I probably won't grow those this year. And then the final thing I like to grow is aubergine Italian long. They're sort of long, thin aubergines. I'm just going to get those out of the way one moment. Now this didn't used to be Dobbies. Let's just turn that down again because that is definitely... So carrots, carrots, carrots. Carrots. I can't grow any onions in my garden because I have a terrible trouble, and I have can't grow any members of the cabbage family really, although lettuce is okay. So I'm going to have to look elsewhere because I normally get the organic gardening magazine, and I don't think this is it. I don't know where this has come from, unless Dobbies have taken it over. But normally I buy organic seed. I mean, these have only got 4 carrots in, which is pretty pathetic. So I'm going to look online for another. Oh, there's a few more here. Let's have a look. Flyaway, yeah. Sorry if the light's bouncing off. As the name suggests, this British bred variety has been developed for its resistance to carrot root fly. A vibrant colour, natural sweetness, smooth skin and blunt-ended roots. So there's not a lot there that I can choose. So I'm going to put in my lovely little bag from my son. Oh, and every year I like to grow French marigolds, and I put them in amongst my tomatoes, and they also go in the greenhouse. So let's put all that in there for now. And once I start sowing, I'll bring you back. Is this something you do every year if you grow vegetables and fruit and whatnot? You go through everything, check the dates. I love it. It's just, I know spring is coming and it's just so exciting. So I will look through my garden magazines, my seed magazines, order some seeds, and then maybe in about a month's time we'll get sowing. I'll see you then. Bye for now.